Okay, I'm looking at Tiva for a long. I am in, looking to see what it wants to do around high a day here. Stop loss will be a close below the moving averages, probably at 21 here. Would like to see it move a little bit more here. Obviously that's not good. I want to have that in, because if it breaks it, it's not gonna, it ain't gonna go in my favor, so I might as well get out. Alright, well, that was a trap or something, I guess. Alright, well, Tiva's coming up here again. I'll take it long if it wants to break that top trend line. And it looks like we might get there this time again. Alright, I'm seeing lots of buying right now. Okay, I'm in again. Want to see it take out the high of day here. I would like to see it at 50. I'm making a new high day here. There we go. Seeing some big numbers here. Alright, well, lots of green. Bunch of big buyers coming in. Somehow an 06 got in there. See, I know it prints green there, but all these down ticks there, I'm wondering if that's a sell, because I saw that big bidder over there on the 16, and maybe that guy took him out or something. So it's not always the case that green is good. I think these arrows are what's more important. If this thing wants to take out this 20, I'm wondering if this is a trade that I would want to add into. No, it's not. Alright, that was the first pullback. I was the last sellers there. But we held the 9. I don't like it anymore. Just bail, get out. If it doesn't do what I want it to do, this isn't gonna be the cleanest of setups. But I can't say the trade's over still. I mean, it again might want to make a push. But it looks like for now it's a no. Okay, looking at square here, wanting to long it out of this triangle again as it's making. Definitely made a bull flag here. Had a nice run up. And then it looks like this 40's holding at the moment. Trying to catch the break of it though. Would like to see it close to high day again. I'm only risking about, really about 10 cents here. So anything above the 50s would be good. This looks like this is holding pretty tight though. Okay. Alright, I am in. Seeing above 45 is going to be a big deal too. Wow. There's a ton of buying going on these past two candles, and as soon as we broke that 40, well, now there's nobody buying. I thought that once we get above the moving averages, it would make a run, but apparently not here. I just need to get out. Alright, well, I need to be done for the day because apparently I don't have a read on anything, and all of the trades that I've been taking have immediately gone against me, so clearly I am not in it right now. I want to watch and see what it does, though. Yeah, I guess it's just gonna just drop forever now. Okay, well, that is too bad. Alright, first trade that I took on the day was Tiva. Was making a nice triangle bull flag here. Used the wicks because the, well, I guess for the top line I didn't. I ended up entering in on this move here on, what, the 12 cents? So I wanted to catch it as it broke through this. I knew that this trend line was going to be somewhat of an issue, but I figured that if they had the power to move through this one, moving through this one would be pretty simple too. Well, it ended up turning right back around against me as soon as I got in. Ended up moving right down to the whole number, and then I put a stop loss down underneath, and I got stopped out at 99 cents. I didn't want the thing to just turn against me, because I know the flags can go either way, so I didn't want to risk losing too much money if it really decided to break down here. But we again moved straight up. As soon as I get out, entered in at 15 cents here. Ended up getting stuck at the 20, pulled back pretty hard on this candle here. Held through all of it. Ended up getting out at 11 cents on the pullback somewhere I guess right about there. And then I just kind of really chopped around, didn't do too much. Volume kind of died off. All these trades that I was taking, I mean, they all looked good. I was watching the tape, reading the tape, looking at the buy-in. I know SQ was the big one that just had a, I mean, there was tons of buyers showing up right in these two candles here. I mean, once it got down here, I mean, it was nothing but highlighted green in here. So I was like, alright, well, if this thing wants to make a move, then I definitely want to be getting a little part of it. So I was looking at this triangle here. I knew the moving averages were going to be somewhat of a problem, but I was kind of looking at it. You know, we were riding up the 9, kind of close below it. The 20 kind of came into play here, and then I guess it just didn't have the strength. I mean, I thought it did over here. I thought it was going to have the strength, but it didn't have the strength to really stay above. So I guess it's a good thing that I got out when I did. Now we're just kind of bouncing off of the 50 in the VWAP here. Don't really know what's going to happen. But definitely a really ugly day. I don't know. Start to this year is really bad. None of my strategies have been working out really well. I mean, for most of them, I have been wrong pretty much immediately as soon as I'm entering these trades. So I don't really know what I need to look out for that. I mean, I'm entering right as soon as I trigger. I mean, I guess I'm getting caught in traps or something, because that's really the only thing that I can think of. I mean, last year, I know these things have the potential to really break out and make huge moves. You know, once we get out of those kind of close to the apex of the triangle, or just break out of the significant levels, I'm just not getting anything in my favor. So I don't know. I'll just have to do some review and see what I can find. I'll be back tomorrow.